Today we'll be creating a sample in FastAPI, a Python high-performance modern web framework that stands on starlet and pedantic. It's fast, short, and easy to build. First we'll start with creating our own virtual environment, activate it, then we'll install the required libraries FastAPI and UVCon standard. UVCon will be able to run it. Now let's create a sample app. We'll be running it with sample:app because it's stored in sample.py. Now let's assign the web engine to app global variable. First we'll create a normal structure. We'll create a root function that will simply return the path of our virtual environment, fetching it from our OS environment variables. So we can simply return it because we are not doing something complex here. Now to make it return on the slash path, we'll add app.get and the path to it, so it'll, when a get request is made to slash, it'll return it. Now let's start the web server for this. So UVCon sample:app, UVCon will be able to fetch it and run. By default it runs at port 8000, can be changed by -- port. Now let's make a curl request to it, and as you see we are getting a proper it automatically generates OpenAPI docs available at /docs. So let's check those out. As you see, it's proper Swagger style documentation page. We can try out the API here itself. We can even copy the curl command and try it on shell or like use it somewhere else. So that was a quick intro, guys. We'll catch with more on part 2.